Welcome to Collective Research. Hey there, aviation enthusiast. Buckle up because we've got some turbulent skies to navigate as we dive into the latest from Boeing. Imagine this. You're Boeing, one of the giants in the aerospace industry. It's May, and you've only delivered 24 commercial planes. That's less than half of what you managed to deliver around the same time last year. So, what's going on? Well, Boeing says they're slowing down production to focus on improving manufacturing quality. Now, you might remember there was a pretty big incident earlier this year with the 737 MAX 9 jet. That caught the regulators' eyes and it's still causing ripples. Boeing's deliveries dropped by half in May over the last year. You can see the total commercial aircraft deliveries by month since the start of 2023 here. In May, they managed to deliver 19 MAX jets. That's a slight uptick from April, but still a far cry from last year's numbers. Clearly, production issues are still dogging them. In fact, Reuters reported that back in March their output plummeted to single digits, way below what the FAA would like to see. Wall Street, of course, is watching these deliveries like a hawk. After all, deliveries are when Boeing gets most of its cash. It's not all bad news though. In May, they did land some new orders, 4 787-10 Dreamliners for Ever Air to be exact. So far this year, they've racked up 142 gross orders. But after accounting for cancellations and conversions, that number drops to 103 net orders. Overall, Boeing delivered 53 aircraft in May, bringing their total for the year to 256. So they're still hanging in there despite the choppy weather. Now let's talk about leadership. David Calhoun, the man at the helm, is Boeing's president and CEO. He's also on the board of directors for Caterpillar Incorporation and a member for the Business Roundtable, a big deal association of top US CEOs. Financially, Boeing's journey has been a roller coaster. In 2023, their revenue hit a high of $77.8 billion. But despite this, their operating income has been in the red for the past 4 years. In 2023, it was minus $773 million and it was even worse in 2022 at minus $3.5 billion. Net income hasn't been any better, with 2023 showing a loss of minus $2.2 billion. Their total assets dipped slightly from $137.012 billion in 2023, while their total liabilities climbed to $154.24 billion. The current ratio is a measure of liquidity, was 1.1403, just above the ideal of 1. Their debt-to-equity ratio, a puzzling minus 3.0362. That negative number is pretty unusual and might signal some accounting quirks for deeper issues. Profitability ratios were all in the negative with a net profit margin of minus 2.8563. So they're losing money overall. So there you have it. Boeing's in a bit of a rough patch, but with strong leadership and a history of resilience, who knows what the future holds? It's a hold for now, but keep an eye on our next report on Boeing and we will let you know if it's time to sell or buy. Until next time, keep your seatbelt fastened and your tray tables in the upright position. This is your aviation update signing off. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Collective Research. And make sure to follow up on all of our social media accounts. Thank you.